sunny St. Lucia to deliver this beautiful Rustler 42 to Antigua. I'm such a fan of the Rustlers. In fact, just back from delivering a Rustler 37 up to Scotland, which was a much colder trip than I imagined this one's going to be. But it'll be really interesting to see how her bigger sister performs. I have delivered Rustler 42s before, not for a couple of years, but I remember enjoying it, and I've got a feeling this one should be really great. It's an amazing sailing, essentially force four on the beam for 2 days. What more could you want? Let's go and have a look at the boat. Excellent galley, sharp table, and my berth for this trip, the master cabin in here. We've just heard from the shipping company that the shipping time from Antigua has been delayed by a couple of days. So we've changed our plans slightly. Rather than sailing straight to Antigua, we're going to check out of St. Lucia and head to Martinique. It'll be a good chance to test the boat, and we'll stop there, anchor for the night. So it's only a short sail today, a day sail, but we're just getting ready to go. Perfect wind forecast, which is great. So off we go. Stern line's clear. Let go on the back spring. So we're about halfway across to Martinique now, and on the horizon we've spotted quite a big dark cloud. So we brought in a bit of head sail. We're going to see what this does. Beautiful, a turtle to welcome us into Martinique. So it is absolutely stunning here, but everything is completely shut. The sun's setting. All the shops and bars and restaurants are closed. So we did find a restaurant that was open, which has made Aaron very happy.
It was great to have the luxuries of life after being on a Rustler 42 especially.
It's been a tough day today, right?
Oh my goodness, we've had nothing but amazing times. We've had terribly awesome times. She's a very comfy boat. This is my first time in St. Lucia and Martinique, so it's a special voyage for me to be sharing this time here.
What do you think about the boat so far? I mean, we've only done about 40 miles, I think, but we had some big swell out there, you know.
I think we've seen 9.1, 9.2, and that's with a single reef on the main. We had a reef on the head sail. And she is a cruiser. She's a blue water true cruiser. She's a gorgeous boat. It's very comfortable outside and inside. It has such a design that you don't feel like you're on the waves. She kind of just swings, and 7.5, 8, 9 knots.
We are just cruising along the west coast of Martinique, kind of going through a bit of a dead zone at the moment. We've got the head sail out, but we are motor sailing. Won't be long before we clear the northern end and we're going to have wind again. But it's a beautiful bit of coastline. A few other yachts out here. Stunning. How does she feel on the wheel?
She can self-steer pretty much. She only needs maybe 1 or 2 degrees of a convincing. Otherwise, yeah, she's a very well-balanced boat. Nice on the helm too.
Feel safe, right?
Oh, she's a blue cruiser. She's a dream come true. If you're selling it, let me know.
I think he is, so. The wind is back up a little. 20 knots plus. She is taking it in her stride.
Feels great, man.
We're nearly there.
8.5 knots, and we've got only about 8 miles to go.
After a night on a mooring here in Dominica, it's banana bread for breakfast. A bit of light tropical rain around. Other than that, stunning morning. We just need to go and clear in and clear out. Just heading to customs, our last stop before Antigua. I think they're having a competition. It's this guy versus this guy. Got a feeling I know who's going to get the fish first. And we're off, heading for Antigua.
Check complete.
Very light winds at the moment off the coast of Dominica on the leeward side, just motoring steadily along at about 1500 RPM. It's so hot, with what little wind there is behind us, so no fresh air at all at the moment. But it won't be long, I'm sure we're going to get some later. So the wind's just filling in as we clear the northern side of Dominica. We've got a nice force 4 on the beam. This is perfect. Full head sail, 1 reef in the main. Absolutely cruising. It's 3:30 in the morning and we are halfway between Guadeloupe and Antigua. Some great wind, great conditions, it's so warm, nice warm tropical breeze on the beam, and Captain Claney is just taking it in a stride. We're absolutely cruising. We should be arriving in Antigua at first light. Such a great trip, lovely boat.